I'm Sophia, and I'm in grade 1, and I'm going to read Water, Weathering, and Erosion. Our Earth is always changing. Each and every day, bit by bit, changes happen. Sometimes the changes happen fast. Sometimes the changes occur very, very slowly over time. Sometimes the changes create a beautiful landscape. Other times the land we once loved isn't quite the same. Changes to our Earth happen for many different reasons. Many changes are human-made, but many others are a result of natural causes. Weathering is one of the natural ways that the Earth is changed. When weathering occurs, the Earth's natural feature, like rocks and soil, are broken down. Water is one of the major causes of weathering on Earth. The rock shown here broke in half as a result of water weathering. Rocks are broken during the weathering process as water collects in cracks within the rocks. When temperature drops, the water freezes. As the water freezes, it expanding the rocks with it. Eventually, the water melts and drops farther into the cracks that were created. The water again freezes and the cycle continues until the rocks crack and break. Erosion is another way the Earth is shaped and changed. Erosion happens when wind, water, or ice moves rocks and soil to a new location. Rivers are great examples of water erosion. Rocks, soil, and sediment broken down bits of rocks and soil are picked up by rushing water and deposited in new areas along the way. When rocks, soil, and sediment are deposited along the waterway, it is called
deposition.
Deposition can happen anywhere along a body of water. However, areas where the water flows slow are most likely to have
Deposition occur.
Most rivers flow quickly along their paths. This fast movement causes erosion to occur and the rivers pick up soil and sediment and carry it along. Eventually, most rivers flow into a lake or sea. When fast-moving river water meets a slower-moving lake or seawater, soil and sediment deposited in the area where the bodies of water meet. The accumulation of soil and sediment deposited at the mouth of the river creates a landform called a delta. We can learn a plan for the changes water will make, but we don't always know how it will affect us. Even with the best planning, water sometimes erodes away the earth in areas we don't expect, leaving destruction along the way. Last page. Water is powerful, sometimes
threatening,
and yet very amazing. Let's take a look at a few more of amazing creations water has shaped in our world.